The fifth example in the series of water balance solves two requirements. Learn about them here in hydrology. The problem includes a watershed of 2,000 hectares area. A 10-day storm has been recorded with the following properties, and we are tasked to compute for the change in soil moisture and also the final soil water storage. Checking on the record, we use the water budget equation of inflow less outflow is equal to the change in water storage. We start by categorizing each parameter, such as precipitation under inflow, evapotranspiration, average stream flow, irrigation input, and groundwater recharge all are under outflow. Then the change in soil moisture lies under change in water storage. The last input in the table, which is initial soil water storage, is not a part of the equation. This parameter shows the current moisture of the soil prior to the storm. Placing all values from the record, we complete the water budget equation as 110 millimeters less 1.8 inches minus 4.2 cubic meters per second less 0.9 hectare meter minus 0.015 acre feet as equal to the change of soil moisture. Having the equation, we can then compute for the unknown. However, each term has a unit different from others. Hence, we convert each unit to be similar with others. The first term of 110 millimeters will be maintained as answers are to be in mm. The second term of 1.8 inches is multiplied by the conversion factor of 25.4 millimeters in an inch, and this gives 45.72 mm. The third term is 4.2 cubic feet per second. First is to take seconds out, and we do this by multiplying the conversion factor of 3600 seconds per hour and 24 hours per day. Then multiply the duration of storm, which is 10 days. At this point, second is cancelled out. Next is to transform cubic feet into mm. First, we multiply conversion factor of 1 square meter is to the square of 3.28 feet. Then a hectare is to 10,000 square meters. Divide 2,000 hectares, which then cancel out square feet, square meters, and hectares. From here, the remaining unit is feet, which still needs to be converted in millimeters. So multiply the conversion of a meter is to 3.28 feet times 1,000 millimeters is to a meter, canceling out foot and meter, and leaving millimeters. Now multiply values from the terms and arrive at 5.14 mm. For the next term of 0.9 hectare meter, divide the term by the catchment area of 2,000 hectares. So we eliminate hectares. Then multiply the conversion of 1,000 millimeters for a meter to cancel meters and have mm. Then 0.9 times 1,000 divided by 2,000 is 0.45, now in millimeters. Moving on to 0.015 acre feet. Take out acre by multiplying the conversion factors of 43,560 square feet per acre with 3.28 squared in square feet as to a square meter. Then multiply 10,000 square meters is to a hectare. Then now divide the term by the catchment area of 2,000 hectares, and this totally eliminates hectares. The remaining unit of feet is then converted into mm through the conversion of 3.28 feet is to 1 meter, and 1000 mm is also for a meter. Multiply 0.015 by 43,560 with 1,000 divided by 3.28 squared with 10,000, 2,000, and 3.28, leaving 0.000926 mm. To summarize values, we have the change in moisture as 110 mm less 45.72, 5.14, 0.45, and 0.000926 millimeters, and these are simplified as 58.6891 millimeters. Now to solve for the final water storage. This is the summation of the initial soil water storage and the change in soil moisture, taken as 70 mm plus 58.6891 millimeters, which is then simplified as 128.6891 mm.